Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we solve this screen color problem guys. You can see guys your screen color is different guys, your icon color, you can see guys everything is different in your phone. Friends, you don't know how to solve this problem in your Tecno mobile, so don't worry friends, in this video I will show you how can you solve guys your screen color problem. So guys, first of all I will tell you guys what is it. So guys, this is guys color correction mode setting, and guys how can you solve guys your color correction in your Tecno phone. So I don't worry guys, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to solve guys this color problem. Then guys scroll it. After on phone setting guys scroll guys, you can see the icon color is different. Scroll. Special function, tap here. Accessibility, tap here. Again scroll it friends, you can see your color correction mode setting, friends, tap here. So as you want to solve this setting friends, you can solve from here this icon. Because of this icon guys, tap here to solve your problem. So hence you can see your color problem has solved, means color correction. So hence you can see your screen color, and guys you can use your app, and guys you can use your phone without this problem color correction. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Before going, please go and like the video.